Hare Krishna, dear kids. Please turn on your videos if possible. Hare Krishna, Kiansh. Hare Krishna, Kalindi. How are you feeling? How are you all?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, nice. Please tell me on chat through emojis how you all are feeling. Are you feeling happy or excited or sleepy or super energetic? You can tell me on chat through emoji. Excited. Okay, very nice. Um, yes, you can ask question if you have any question through chat. So, okay, dear kids, let's start. Today, we will be learning about Srila Jiva Goswami, and we are going to learn about him. He is a very special devotee of Krishna. So, very soon, it will be his disappearance day, which means a day to remember his life, his service, and his love for Krishna. So today we will learn that how he was not just very intelligent but also very humble and very loving toward Krishna, towards other living beings. So because of devotees like him, we know how to serve Krishna and what makes Krishna happy. So it would be a very interesting session today. Let's begin. So this will be the schedule of our session today. Let's begin. So who would like to recite Prabhupada Pranam Mantra? Kiansh, would you like to recite it?
मेरे साथ साथ बोलेगा साथ में बोलते
I will say, then you can repeat after me, okay?
ठीक है मैम के साथ माता जी के साथ
Okay. Namo Vishnupadaya
Namo Vishnu Padaya
Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale
Krishna Pistaya Bhutare
Srimate Bhakti Vedanta
Sri Bhaktivedanta
Swami Niti Namine
Swami Tilinandare
Namaste Saraswate Deve
Namaste Saraswate Deve
Gauravani Pracharine
Gauravani Vichare
Nirvishesha Shunyavadi
Nirvisheshanvadi
Paschat Deshatarine.
Pashtadishidani.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Kiansh. Now, Kalindi, would you like to read the translation? Please read the translation.
I offer my respectful obeisances unto His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna, having taken shelter at his lotus feet.
Continue.
Mataji, I can't read because the slide is frozen.
Can you see it now?
Respectful obeisances unto you, O spiritual master, servant of Saraswati Goswami. You are kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya and delivering the Western countries, which are filled with impersonalism and voidism.
Okay. Thank you so much. Now, Panchtattva mantra. Shri Niketana. Can you please recite the Panchtattva mantra?
Krishna.
Okay, I will sing it, then you can repeat after me. Shri
Okay.
Krishna Chaitanya,
Shri Krishna Chaitanya,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Shri Advaita Gadadhara,
Shri Advaita Gadadhara,
Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Shiva Sai Gaurabhadra Vrinda.
Can you read the translation?
I offer my respectful
Obeisances
obeisances into
Shri Chaitanya,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord
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 Nitya.
Nityananda, Shri
Yes.
Advaita Gadadhara, Gara Pandit,
Shrivas Thakur,
Shivakur, and I on all the devotees of the Lord Chaitanya.
Very good. Okay, now we will start with our chanting, dear kids. So you can keep your chanting bags. Ready? Please grab your chanting beads, chanting bags, and we will begin our chanting. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. So you all can unmute yourselves and then you can chant all together.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Ram Ram Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama,
Ram, Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Ram,
Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare Ram, Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare Ram,
Ram, Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, 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 Hare
Hare Ram,
Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare
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 Krishna.
Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Ram, Hare Krishna, Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram, Hare
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 Krishna,
Krishna,
Ram,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Ram,
Hare Krishna,
Dear kids, now please take a pause. Please close your eyes. And in your mind, just think that Krishna is sitting in front of you. Can you see this? Just imagine it in your mind that Krishna is sitting in front of you. And now try to chant with your heart as if you are speaking to Krishna. So give your all, put your all efforts in chanting very, very attentively, imagining in your mind that Krishna is sitting in front of you. And you will see this will make a huge difference. So please continue. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
मटर क्यों नहीं दिख रहे? कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम राम हरे राम
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
हरे राम हरे 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 राम राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम राम हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे हरे राम हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare.
कृष्ण
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Rama Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Rama
जो मंदिर जाना है तो मेट्रो कौन से स्टेशन पे जाना है?
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama. Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare
Krishna,
Hare Krishna Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Krishna, Krishna Hare Krishna, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama
और बच्चे का फ्री
Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Wonderful, kids. Wonderful, wonderful. So, I want you to take notes, everyone. Next time, whenever you chant, please try to chant the way we chanted today. In your mind, just imagine that Krishna is sitting in front of you, and as you are chanting, just try to chant with your heart and chant in a way that you are speaking to Krishna. Please make this note. You can write it in your notebook, and I can also ask if you remember it. So make sure you note it. Okay, now we will begin with our session. Okay, let's see learning objectives. So, what will we be covering today? We will understand who a Pramanik Acharya is, a bona fide master, and why we need their guidance. Why not any other Acharya and only Pramanik Acharya? We will learn how Srila Jiva Goswami served Lord Krishna through his devotion and knowledge. And we will recognize the importance of Guru, Pramanik Guru, Shastra, and Parampara in Bhakti. How important these are, which help us to progress in our Krishna consciousness life. And then we will identify in simple ways through an activity that how we may please Krishna in our daily life. So, okay, let's begin. Srila Jiva Goswami, A Life of Devotion and Wisdom. So, okay, I would like kids to read one by one. Damini, would you like to? Yes, you're always enthusiastic. Please read.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Jiva Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami was born in a very devotional family. He was the nephew of Sri Rupa and Sri Sanatana Goswami. Even as a child, he loved Krishna and Mahaprabhu deeply. Lord Krishna blessed him as a baby for seeing his great future.
Yes. So please keep taking notes, everyone. We will have a quiz. So, dear kids, Srila Jiva Goswami was born into a very rich and devotional family where devotion to Krishna was natural because he was born in a Vaishnava family. And his uncles were Srila Rupa Goswami and Srila Sanatan Goswami, who later became the most important associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And from the beginning only, Srila Jiva Goswami was surrounded by spirituality. So, he was always into spirituality, into learning, and into service to the Lord. when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited Ram Keli once, so he lovingly, you know how he blessed the baby Jeev Goswami? When he visited Ram Keli, he lovingly placed his dust, the dust of his lotus feet on baby Jiva's head. So this is how he blessed Srila Jeev Goswami, by putting his lotus feet on his head. Just imagine how auspicious and great it is. So by this act, Mahaprabhu revealed that this child would grow up to become a great teacher and protector of pure bhakti. Lord gave this sign. And even though Jeev Goswami was very young that time, his heart was deeply attracted to Mahaprabhu. And this attraction stayed with him throughout his life. So you will see these great acharyas, they always have some amazing things from their very childhood only. And we come to know when we read about them, when we study about them. So they are not ordinary human beings. Okay, moving next. Vrinda Rani, please.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Jiva Goswami faced separation from his father and uncles. Instead of becoming angry or sad, he turned his pain into bhakti. His heart became fixed on serving Krishna only. This teaches us to depend on Krishna in difficult times.
Yes. So his separation turned into devotion. So as Jiva Goswami, he grew older. His life became filled with separation. His father and his uncles left home to dedicate their lives fully to Mahaprabhu. They were just gone. And later, his father, he passed away. So this brought deep sadness to Jeev Goswami and his mother. They were feeling so sad. But however, instead of becoming bitter or distracted or becoming angry, what he decided? He allowed this pain to push him closer to Krishna. So, dear kids, we should understand that whatever, shortcomings comes in our life, instead of becoming angry or instead of becoming upset, we should try to push to Krishna, because these shortcomings come so that we may go more closer to Krishna. And this lesson we can take from Srila Jiva Goswami. So he constantly remembered Lord Chaitanya, who is Lord Krishna, and felt intense longing for spiritual life. So this teaches us that difficulties do not always pull us away from Krishna. When handled properly, they can deepen our devotion and dependence on him. So this is a beautiful lesson from how we can turn our difficulties into devotion to Krishna. Okay, who will read next? Kalindi, would you like to read? Please read.
He received loving guidance from Lord Nityananda Prabhu. He visited Navadvipa and holy places of Mahaprabhu. Later, in Vrindavan, serving Rupa and Sanatan Goswamis, he learnt bhakti by serving devotees humbly.
Yes. So now he got the mercy of Nityanand Prabhu and he got spiritual guidance. So see, understanding Jeev Goswami's sincerity, Lord Nityananda, he personally guided him. When Srila Jeev Goswami, he was traveling to Navdvip, Nityanand Prabhu, he welcomed him warmly. Because see, Lord is always residing in our hearts and he always know our intention. So Nityanand Prabhu, he is God and he was understanding his sincerity. So he warmly welcomed him and he embraced him and introduced him to the devotees, as you can see in this picture. He also took Srila Jeev Goswami to important holy places, including Navdweep, which is the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya. I hope you all are taking notes. We will have a little tricky quiz today because you all are becoming mature now. Okay. So, through this association of Nityanand Prabhu, Srila Jeev Goswami's heart became peaceful and strong. And later, and of course, he was also associating with the devotees. So, later, under Nityanand Prabhu's instruction, Jeev Goswami, he went to the Kashi. And there he studied Vedanta from a genuine teacher. And this shows that it shows children that spiritual progress come not by independence. Are you understanding? If we want to gain spiritual knowledge, then it doesn't come by independence, but by taking shelter of advanced devotees and following their guidance. Only that way we can take spiritual knowledge. So this is a very takeaway point, very important takeaway point from this knowledge, that spiritual knowledge comes through guidance of the advanced devotees when we take their shelter and not by independence. Because if we will try to independently understand Krishna or spiritual knowledge, then we will start speculating. We can never understand it by our own mind. So, okay. Moving forward, Pooja Das. Is it your name? Can you please rename your name so that I can address you with your name? Please, can you read?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, what's your name?
Priyanshu Das.
Okay, Priyanshu.
Hi. Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Priyanshu, please read. You can also read this topic first and then the points.
Srila Jiva Goswami.
Please read the topic first. Deep study and
Deep study and writing for the world. Srila Jiva Goswami studied Srimad Bhagavatam and Vedanta. He wrote very powerful books explaining pure devotion. His writing protect bhakti from confusion and false ideas. Because of him, we clearly understand who Krishna is and how to serve him.
okay, thank you, Priyanshu. So, dear kids, when Srila Jeev Goswami, he finally reached Vrindavan, he surrendered himself completely to his uncles. Okay, so here is a quiz for all of you. Who are the uncles of Srila Jeev Goswami? We studied it in our first slide. Let's see who can answer. You can raise your hands and I'll allow you to speak. Satyabhama, yay! Hare Krishna, happy to see you. Please.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Is it Rupa and Sanatana Goswami?
Your voice is very low.
Sorry Mataji, is it Rupa and Sanatana Goswami?
Yes, Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. Brilliant. So, yes, so he surrendered himself to Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. He did not think that, oh, I come from a great family or I am very intelligent. He was not thinking in that way. Instead, he served humbly. So he was bringing water, he was cleaning ashram, he was cooking, he was massaging their heads, he was worshipping the deity, and he was assisting in very important service. That was writing and proofreading important scriptures. So, yes, alongside service, he studied Srimad Bhagavatam deeply. So he was studying very, very deeply, very, very nicely. He was listening to his uncles very attentively. So see, dear kids, our acharyas, they show us through their own behavior, through their own acharan, that how we should practice our Krishna conscious practices, devotional practices in our life. So if you are in the class, you should also try to hear very attentively so that you may understand the knowledge nicely. So you can, keep aside for few, till the time you are here in the session, you can keep aside other work and try to hear very, very attentively and try to take notes very, very nicely. So, yes, because of this attitude, his knowledge became pure and very powerful. This point is very important for everyone to understand that real bhakti, real learning in bhakti comes through service, through seva. Very important point. Okay. Satyabhama, would you like to read? Please read.
Teacher for future generations. He guided great devotees like Narottama Dasa Thakur. He helped spread Krishna consciousness all over India. Even today, his books and teachings guide us. Srila Jiva Goswami teaches us to be humble, sincere, and faithful.
Yes. So Srila Jiva Goswami, later, he became one of the greatest philosophers of the Gaudiya Vaishnava tradition. Great philosopher. And he wrote many important books that explain who Krishna is and what pure devotion means and how to practice bhakti correctly. He also trained great devotees like, you can see, Narottama Das Thakura and Srinivasacharya, Shamanand Prabhu. So, yes, he trained them and he also sent them to preach bhakti widely to different areas for preaching. So, what lesson are you getting from this? You try to hear attentively, you grab knowledge nicely, take notes, and then you can also repeat, you can also preach this message, this knowledge to your friends in your school or maybe your devotee friends. You can tell them about Jiva Goswami or whatever other classes you attend. This is how you preach. And Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, he says that anyone, any person who preaches my glories to others, he is very, very dear to me. So we all want to become Krishna's dear, right? Krishna's favorite. So this is what pleases Krishna very, very much, that we speak about him to others. We spread his message to others. So yes, Srila Jiva Goswami, he trained them nicely and sent them to preach. Even today, you will see devotees all over the world understand Krishna consciousness through Srila Jiva Goswami's writings. So his life teaches us that serving devotees sincerely allows Krishna to work through us to help others. Okay. Now comes the shloka time. So we will sing nice shloka. This shloka is from Srimad Bhagavatam, So whoever wants to sing, okay, you both are very enthusiastic. We will give chance to both of you. Brindarani, you can
Hare
start.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So please repeat after me.
Okay.
Tasmad gurum prapadyeta
Tasyam Gurum Prapadyeta
jigyasu shreya uttamam
Jignasya
jigyasu shreya uttamam
Jignasya Uttamam
shabde pare cha nishnatam
Shabde Pare Ki
cha
Nishtatam
nishnatam brahmayu
Janishtatam
brahmanyupashashmashrayam
Brahmayu Prasayam
Ups- upashmashrayam.
Upasmashrayam.
Okay, it seems it's difficult. Would you like to try one more time? You can sing again, okay? Tasmat gurum prapadyeta. Okay, you. Okay, Damini, please. Tasmat gurum prapadyeta.
Tasmatagumpadecha
Jigyasu shreya uttamam.
Jignasya Uttamam
Shabde pare cha nishnatam.
Shabde Padesa Nishyatam
Brahmanyu upshamashrayam.
Brahmani Upramashayam.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, dear kids, you need to sing it along with me. I am seeing everyone. Your lips should move, okay? Please sing with me, not after me, with me. Tasmat gurum prapadyeta jigyasu shreya uttamam shabde pare cha nishnatam brahmanyu upshamashrayam. Okay. Now, first, you may read the translation. Kiansh, would you like to read the translation?
माता जी ये इसको अभी रीड करना नहीं आता 4 इयर्स का है अभी ये
Okay, okay, okay. So, Krishna Leela, Hare Krishna. Would you like to read? No? Please read.
Therefore, any person who seriously desires real happiness must seek a bona fide spiritual master and take shelter from him by initiation. The qualification of a bona fide guru is that he has realized the convolution of the scriptures and deliberation and is able to convince others of these conclusions. Such great personalities who have taken shelter of the Supreme Godhead, leaving aside all material considerations, should be understood to be bona fide spiritual masters.
Okay, thank you so much. So, dear kids, please try to hear it very, very nicely. If we really want to know what is best in our life, we must take shelter of a genuine spiritual teacher. This is what this verse is trying to tell us. So let's understand. When we want to learn something important, for example, like maths, music, or swimming, we need a proper teacher, isn't it? So, anyone likes to sing here? Or any of your hobby, if you want to learn swimming, you want to learn mathematics, so you will need a proper teacher for it, isn't it? You can't get the knowledge by yourself. We cannot just guess or learn from anyone. This is also one important thing, that you can't accept any person as your teacher and you will start learning. No. So, in the same way, if we want to know how to please Krishna, we need a pramanik acharya, a bona fide spiritual master, a genuine spiritual teacher who truly knows Krishna and follows him perfectly. So, Srila Jiva Goswami is such a pramanik acharya. He did not make up his own ideas. He learned from great devotees. You know, this is called parampara, which is coming from Krishna himself. He followed Lord Chaitanya's teachings, who is Krishna himself, and then taught others the exact same pure bhakti. And because of that reason, whatever he taught always pleased Krishna, because he is repeating as it is. And all our acharyas, they are pramanik in our parampara line. Why? Because they are repeating as it is. They exactly know how we can please Krishna, what makes Krishna happy, because this knowledge is coming from Krishna himself. So, for example, when we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna becomes happy. And how we know it? From our acharyas. When we offer our food to Krishna, he becomes happy. And how we know it? From our acharyas. When we remember Krishna while studying or playing or helping, he becomes happy. So basically, we should remember Krishna. So this clear understanding is not possible by ourselves. It comes only through the mercy and guidance of a genuine guru. So that is why, dear kids, this verse is very important. It teaches us that the safest and happiest path in life is to follow a real spiritual master. And we are so fortunate, every one of you is very, very lucky, so fortunate that we are a part of this movement. We are in this, we are following Pramanik Acharyas, bona fide spiritual masters. And we know exactly the ways what makes Krishna happy. And this is not ordinary. Okay. So, are you getting? Bottom line is, because we are following Srila Prabhupada, he is also Pramanik Acharya, coming in Parampara line. So, we know what to do. We know what not to do. And most importantly, we know how to make Krishna smile. So, that is a great blessing. Okay, now moving forward to our activity. So, dear kids, this time it's something new. Let me explain you. Please try to hear nicely. Only that way you will be able to participate nicely. So, what you need to do is you need to choose the right symbol. And you don't have to speak. You will use the chat to participate. So, let's understand the meaning of these symbols. Then in next slide, you will find the statements, some statements, and you will have to choose any of these symbols which is relevant. So let's understand the meaning of these symbols. So the lotus feet, this emoji of lotus feet, the emoji of these feet, footprints, means taking shelter or following guidance or surrender. This is the meaning of footprints. The symbol book means learning from scriptures or acharyas or real knowledge. This chain depicts parampara, the parampara line, disciplic succession or staying connected. And this heart means love, sincerity or pure devotion. So I hope you all are with me You can nod your heads if you all are with me, you're understanding. Or is it confusing? You all are with me? Great. So let's begin. You need to, participate through chat. So you can keep your emojis, your symbols ready. We are starting now. Learning how to please Krishna. So you may share any of these 4 emojis. Learning how to please Krishna from a true guru. If you're not able to find the emoji, you can even type. Um, okay. So, okay, I think it's becoming complicated. So I will allow all of you to unmute yourselves. You can unmute yourself and speak, okay? Please start. Learning how to please Krishna from a true guru. You can unmute yourself
Chain.
by yourself. You are allowed to unmute. Chain.
Chain.
Okay. How chain? Can you also explain?
Because a true guru from because true guru from a disciplined succession, from a bona fide.
Okay, this is also not wrong, but exact symbol is lotus feet. Because when we will take the shelter of a true guru, then only we'll be able to please Krishna. So chain is also not wrong. Okay. Reading Srila Prabhupada's books daily. It's very easy.
Book.
Yes, book. Okay. Following what acharyas taught, not making our own ideas.
To chain.
Yes, chain. Good. Chanting Hare Krishna with love and attention.
The heart.
The heart.
Heart. Yes, good. Staying connected to Krishna through parampara.
Chain.
The
Chain.
Chain. Yes. Serving Krishna without show off.
Heart.
The heart.
Yes, heart.
Heart.
Taking shelter of a Pramanik Acharya like Srila Jiva Goswami.
Lotus feet.
Lotus feet.
Lotus feet.
Lotus feet.
Good. Learning bhakti from Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam.
Book.
Good. Protecting ourselves from wrong ideas about God or Krishna. This is tricky.
Chain.
The heart.
Chain.
Lotus feet.
Chain.
Okay, actually all the answers are correct. So, yes. But the most appropriate is book. Because when we study, then only we understand Krishna, right? From the books only, like Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, we know about Krishna from the Shastras. Okay, wanting to make Krishna happy, not people.
Heart.
Yes. Good. Staying
heart.
connected to Guru's instructions every day.
Chain.
The chain.
Chain.
Yes. Loving Krishna with a clean and sincere heart.
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 Accepting guidance instead of ego.
The book?
Chain. Lotus feet.
Lotus feet.
Lotus feet, yes. So accepting means you are surrendering. You are putting yourself in humble state. So that's why lotus feet. Okay. Living bhakti as taught by saints, not trends.
Book.
Book. Mataji.
Okay. Most appropriate is chain. Because taught by saints means it is coming in parampara line. That's why chain. Okay, last one. Remembering Krishna in everything we do.
Heart.
Heart.
Yes. So, dear kids, whatever points we have covered so far, you can maybe take screenshots of these because we should try to live these in our life. Okay? That way, our Bhakti Lata will blossom. So, you can take screenshot. Then we will move to our next activity.
Yeah.
Please take screenshot. Done? Okay. Now, quiz time, my favorite, most favorite. So this time, be ready. And I can also ask questions randomly. So this time, you need to raise your hands and then I'll allow you so that you may answer peacefully. Okay. So these are not one word questions this time. You need to explain a little bit. Not very difficult if you have heard the class attentively. Why is it important to learn about Krishna from a Pramanik Acharya? Okay, Shruti, yes, please. But try to put your video on, please. Okay, Vrindarani, would you like to? Why is it
Krishna
important?
Mataji.
Yes.
So it is important to learn from a Pramanic Acharya because they got it in the disciplic succession, which it started from Krishna.
Okay, exactly. Good. So they teach what Krishna truly likes because they know it. Good. Which of these best shows that we are connected to Krishna? So I will tell you the options and you need to choose one of those. Okay, which of these best shows that we are connected to Parampara? Doing whatever feels nice. So, you can nod your heads like this or this, and I will understand if you want to choose this option or not. So, doing whatever feels nice. Does that mean that you are connected to Parampara? No. Okay. Following Guru. Okay, no. Copying others without understanding? No. Good. Making new rules of bhakti? New ideas? No. Following Guru and Shastra together? Yes. Good. Okay. Okay. Next is what helps us know whether an action will please Krishna or not? What helps us? I mean, how will we know that whatever we are doing, if it's pleasing to Krishna or not? Okay, Tanushri, please.
We will do in our actions, and also we will think Krishna in your heart.
Can you please repeat?
We want to do it also in action, and we want to think Krishna and do those things.
Your voice is not clearly audible to me. I'm sorry. Anyone else would like to try? Shri Nikitana. Yes, please.
Ma'am, who do chanting Bhakti? Bhakti. Bhakti.
Yes, okay. Bhakti pleases Krishna. And how do we know whether it is a bhakti or not? How to know this? Vrindarani?
Doing chanting lovingly.
Okay, good. So, see, through the instructions of a guru and shastras, we come to know what is bhakti, what will please Krishna. I mean, are these questions very difficult? I know you all know the answers, but you are not able to answer. Okay, see. Which quality best describes true devotion taught by the acharyas? So, we discussed the qualities of a true acharya. So, which best describes true devotion taught by the acharyas? Satyabhama, would you like to try?
Listening.
Listening. Yes, okay, yes. Hearing attentively. Good. Basically, true devotion means service. We learned this. Sincere service, loving service. Okay, I will try to add more quizzes later, but let's move on to our craft now. I will ask simple quizzes in between. Let's move on to our craft. So, are you all ready with your craft material? We will make this beautiful, a circle where we will, let's understand. See, you need to take 2 paper plates. First of all, you can just go and grab your material. Okay, just go and grab quickly. Then we'll start. Okay, let's begin, dear kids. So we will make this paper wheel spinner. You might have already played with it. This white thing which you see here. If you move it, then you will be able to see different qualities. Okay, so for this you will need 2 plates. One, you can see this one is colorful plate, and at the bottom it has a yellow plate. So you need to take 2 paper plates or circular chart paper cutouts. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to ready 2 circular cutouts. So you can use a compass or any other bottle cap or bowl, and you can cut out a circle through that. So please go and grab, and we will do it together step by step so that everyone will be together. So please cut out a circular shape from your paper or chart paper. Okay, you need to cut out 2. Okay, Tanushri, I see you are done. Perfect. So you should have 2 pieces like this. Okay, Shri Nikitana. You're also done good. Damini, can you show your? You all can show your cutouts to me if you are ready. Okay, good, Kiansh. I can see yours. Sriniketana, very good. Okay, moving forward now. Vrindarani, why are you raising hand? You want to ask something? Okay, moving forward. So, dear kids, on the first circle, you need to write Sri Jiva Goswami in the center and decorate it with flowers or whatever things. See? Like this. So you can make this shape and then write Srila Jeev Goswami, and you can draw any of your favorite designs. See, let me tell you once again. Take one circle, okay, one sheet. Then you make one circle in mid. Draw one circle in mid. Then you can make these sections. Do like this, okay? Take one circular paper, one cutout, make a small circle in mid, and then make sections like this. And the upper section will be little big. The space should be nice so that you may write Srila Jeev Goswami here. Okay, do like this. Dear kids, are you with me? Draw a circle in mid. Then first of all, you divide it in section. Don't write anything yet. Just divide it into sections and then show me. Then we'll move forward. Okay? Draw a small circle and then divide it into sections. And in case you feel difficulty, you can unmute yourself and ask any doubts if you have. Yes, Tanushri?
Mataji, how many parts we want to divide?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to divide it in 7 parts.
Okay.
Or you can also divide in 6 parts so that you will have enough space to write. 6 parts will be good. You make line like this. 1, 2, just like you draw plus, and then cross. Let me draw and tell. So, like this. This will be the plus sign, and then cross. This way it will become easy. And you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. Or maybe more. So divide like this, it would be easy. Krishna Leela, are you doing?
Mataji, I don't have the supplies to do it.
Sorry?
I don't have the supplies to do it.
You don't have a paper?
Don't have a paper plate.
So you don't need to take a paper plate. You can, go and grab a plate in which you eat your food. And through that, you can draw a circle on the paper. It's very easy. Okay, go and grab. Okay, are you ready, kids? Tanushri? Done? Good. You have to be little fast. So after these sections, now you need to write different services. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. Devotion, humility, writing books, serve Guru, study scriptures. Please write these. And the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 will left. So you need to write your favorite service. Yes, Tanushri?
Mataji, can we decorate it?
You want to decorate it?
Yes.
Yes, you can decorate it. But first of all, you try to do whatever I am instructing so that you may be able to finish it. Decoration part you can do at end also because we have less time. So just try to do whatever I'm instructing right now. You can definitely do decoration, but later in your time. So please write down all the devotional practices. Instead of write books, you can write read books because we read books. We don't write books. So you can write read books. Serve Guru, study scriptures. Okay, what more service can we do for the Lord? You can unmute yourself and speak if you have in your mind.
Mataji, we can, like,
You play mridanga, right?
yeah,
So play mridanga. You can write play mridanga. Whatever you like, you can write.
Making garland.
Wow, yes, making garland. Beautiful. Distribute prasadam. Beautiful. Yes, please. You all are very wise. Please write. There are more like singing kirtan for Krishna, dressing for Krishna, offering flowers to Krishna, just like you said, making garlands. So, yes, all of these things pleases Krishna. Okay. Shall we move forward now? Yes, share Krishna's pastimes to friends, stories, very beautiful. So, this is Krishna Katha. Okay. Okay, kids, now we will move forward. Now take your second circle. Your first circle is ready. Now later you can color, you can make beautiful designs, just like Tanushri told, making garland. So, you can draw beautiful garland in that section. Vrinda Rani told playing mridanga. So you can draw beautiful mini mridanga there. So like that, show your creativity. Reading books, so you can draw little cute books here. So like that you can, draw different things. Okay. Now take your second circle, and on your second circle, I'm just clearing this. Yes. On your
Mataji,
second,
I already do it.
yes. Okay, beautiful. So like Tanushri, can you show it nicely on the screen so that I will put you on the spotlight. So dear kids, you can see Tanushri, it's not visible nicely. Just like she has made it, you need to cut it later. First of all, you have your one circle here, another circle. You need to, make a section here like this, half cross. So this is a full cross, but instead of full cross, you need to make half cross like this, or maybe a semicircle, whatever. And in that semicircle, you need to write Srila Jeev Goswami. Are you all with me? On your second circle, you need to make a semicircle or a half cross, and you need to write Srila Jeev Goswami. But please don't cut it. You don't have to cut anything yet. We are just doing our writing part. So I'm repeating again. Make this semicircle and then write Srila Jeev Goswami. Yes, Sriniketana. Are you done?
We should cut.
Can you please show it nicely? Oh, you need to do it. You needed to do it in your another paper, another sheet. You are not audible. I can't hear you.
Mom, I put it the same to cut off.
So, what you can do is you can color this part. What you have done is you have made this in one circle, but you needed to do it in another circle. So it's okay. You take another cutout and draw a semicircle and then write Srila Jeev Goswami on it. Okay? Do it. Okay, kids. Are you all with me? So, okay, here is one question that why do we say Srila instead of Shri? What's its actual meaning? Good question. Very nice. So, see, both Shri and Srila are respectful words, but they are used a little differently. Shri means auspicious, beautiful, and divine. So we use Shri for the Lord or his eternal associates and holy places like Shri Krishna, Shri Radha, Shri Vrindavan Dham, Shri Uddhava. So, yes, we use Shri for the Lord and holy places. Srila Rupa Goswami or Shri Rupa Goswami. Now, Srila means one who gives Shri. Shri means spiritual wealth, who gives auspiciousness. So we use Srila specially for our great teachers and acharyas who teach us bhakti. So that's why we say Srila Jeev Goswami, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. So when we say Srila, we are showing extra gratitude and respect because these devotees gave us knowledge of Krishna and the path of devotion. So using Srila reminds us that we are students and they are our spiritual teachers. That's why we say Srila. And we can also say Shri. Okay, dear kids, now moving forward, we have very less time. Now, what you need to do is your second circle in which you wrote Sri Jeev Goswami by making a semicircle. You need to again make a circle in mid like this, and now you need to cut it. Okay, before cutting, what you need to do is, do you have this pin kind of thing which you can put in mid of your
Mataji, like this.
this is safety pin, not safety pin. You can try because there is no option. You can even use thread.
I
So
haven't
okay,
said.
so yes, you need to put this in mid of both of these two papers. Just do it right now. It's okay if you have not written whatever you were doing. Just skip it for now. You can do it later in your time because we have less time. Our session is about to get over. So please put this pin, whatever pin you have, in mid. And now after putting the pin in mid, but please do it safely. You can take help of your parents. Done?
Mataji, can I use thread?
Yes, please use it. After putting pin in mid, you can now check if both of your circles are moving. This pin is which we use on our chart boards. You might have seen it in your schools. On the boards, they put charts, so they put those pins. So it's okay, you can arrange it later. So now after putting the pin, you will find that both of these circles might be moving. If you will, rotate it, they will move. Okay, Riansh, you want to?
Mataji, oi!
Yes. Please show.
Oh,
खत्म.
ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा, वो पीछे हो जाएगा. हाँ.
देखो.
Okay, very good. So, you can color it with dark shades later if possible. And now, after inserting the pin, please take out both of your cutouts again. And now, on the paper on which you wrote Srila Jeev Goswami, you need to first of all make a circle in mid like this. And then lines like this. And now you need to cut this part. Make sure this circle should be equivalent to the another circle, which circular sheet which you made previously. And then you may cut it. So, dear kids, if you don't have pins, what you can do is you can make a hole through a scissor, you can cut it out, and you can even insert a cap of your pen. Basically, we need to join both of these circles together so that later when we rotate it, then we will be able to see these services. Okay? So I hope you got the overall idea. After you put this, after you are ready, after you are ready, then you need to put this seva chart at the bottom, and above it you need to put this name circle on the top of the quality circle, and then join them using a split pin or a safety pin or thread or even a cap of a pen so it can rotate. Then you can slowly rotate the top circle to reveal the qualities one by one. So this way, this shows how a pure devotee reveals Krishna's teachings step by step. So dear kids, if you have any question, you can ask, or if you're confident that you can do it by yourself at your time, then we can kindly stop here because our time is over. Will you be able to do it by yourself now, rest of the part? Okay, we will stop here, and you can share your pictures, the pictures of your craft, on the WhatsApp number, and then we'll share it on our social media. Okay, dear kids, now we will stop, and you all can unmute yourself. We will recite Vaishnava Pranam Mantra, and then we'll end. Please recite after me. Please unmute yourselves. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu bhaeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Madhav, where were you? You are coming so late. This is not good. I was missing you. Okay, thank you so much. We'll stop. Hare Krishna, dear kids.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you very
Hare
much.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
We'll meet soon. Hare Krishna. We'll meet soon.
What could do?
Yes, we'll meet soon. Hare Krishna.